In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI. If you're new to Asana or just want to make the most of its AI capabilities, you're in the right place. We'll navigate through each step to get you set up and ready to go, harnessing the power of Asana's intelligent tools to streamline your workflow. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. Here, you can create projects, track tasks, and kickstart your journey with Asana AI. On your homepage, you'll want to look for the Create button. Go ahead and give it a click. When you do, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose the project option. Now, this part is all about conceptualizing your work. When you're setting up a project, you've got two choices. Select a template or start fresh with a blank project. Templates can be a real time saver because they offer a ready-made structure, guiding you through the setup. However, if you prefer complete creative freedom, then a blank project is the way to go. Next, it's time to think of a suitable name for your project. This name will act as its identifier, making it easier to keep your work well organized. Once you've settled on a name, you'll want to click on Set Up with Asana AI. This is where the real magic begins, as the AI offers intelligent assistance in setting up your project. Once you've set up your project, click on Generate Preview. This feature allows you to take a sneak peek at how your project will look and function before you finalize it. If everything checks out and looks good, go ahead and click Create Project. With your project now live, you can start exploring how Asana AI can further assist you. One of the ways Asana AI can be particularly useful is in helping you plan tasks more efficiently. It suggests subtasks that can help break down your workload into more manageable chunks. Additionally, Asana AI can recommend forms and rules, which can automate various aspects of your project and maintain consistency throughout. But that's not all. Asana AI boasts smart chat capabilities that are designed to enhance communication within your team. It can craft responses in comments, facilitating smoother and more effective discussions. Furthermore, you can use it to draft updates, ensuring that your team is always informed about project progress and any changes that may arise. And there you have it. You've just set up a project using Asana AI. Keep exploring these tools to unlock new levels of productivity and organizational prowess. Remember, these capabilities are there to help you adapt and expand as your needs evolve. Enjoy your journey with Asana AI, and watch as your workflow becomes more streamlined and efficient.